came on here and I just started cooking, I did not do my intro. So for anyone new here, my name is Annette, aka Crushing Smile, aka Southern Firecracker. Only if you make me. If you are returning, you know I love y'all. Welcome back. We're going to make a mixed seafood scampi. This scampi, it turned out so good with the mixed pasta, and then adding a little bit of Chardonnay to cut the grease. I'm telling you, it was so good. You guys are going to thank me. Let's get to it. We're gonna go without butter because super greens, thin spaghetti leftover, and then this is, I'm gonna mix it with this pasta. In the back here, I have my water boiling with chicken bouillon. To add some Chardonnay. If you make a scampi, the best thing to add to it is Chardonnay. I have a half of a shallot. You don't need a whole shallot. Half a shallot is plenty. And then, like you said, we're going to throw some garlic. I also have, for seasoning, I have this oregano, basil, and tomato.